Hello, and today I'm installing at my work the Unifi switch US48 to the rack. This one, so I can move it a little bit. It's a small mess, but soon it will be okay. It is already adopted and it should work fine. Well, as you may see, I already have cleared the place. One of the switches will go off and put it over here. Last time, yeah, have passed about 1 month before I continued recording. And this will go out to the other communication room, and this will go in his place. As you may see, it's something like that now. Well, I have put it out from the rack. Now there is a free spot. Later in the evening I'll try to rest switch them and put it in the empty space and make some cable management, because it's a madness. Well, as you may see, I'm already moved the main switch from this empty space to the top. And the problem is because it's a working environment and I cannot switch it off, so there's a little bit messy over here. Right. It's working. Well, about half of the day have passed. I finally managed to do this one. Much better than the previous one. Not almost perfect, but it is good. This will go out of here because it's from the other department. Anyone want some 10 gigabits? Ten gigs. Well, thanks guys for watching. I hope you will enjoy this video. In the main, this is all non-PoE. This is all PoE switch. All connections with the power over Ethernet will go over here. This switch, because it's power over Ethernet, and this is non-PoE connections will go over here. There is some 5 more free spaces available, so it will not be the problem. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.